Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome to the channel where you get to make money online, where you get crypto updates, and most importantly where you get free forex capital to trade the live market. And like I said in my previous video, I'm actually working on helping my community to create a free forex video which will give you more knowledge about how to analyze the market and how to go about your forex journey from A to Z. Now you can see right here on the screen, I've actually created a playlist for that, and also I'll be making a poll in the community trying to know if they want it to be a live class or I should just make the video and drop it into this playlist and you take your time to go through it one after the other. Now into this video, I've made this video some few months ago and I'm back with it, but firstly I want you to know that if you have actually claimed this bonus before, you won't be able to claim it again because the company is actually strict and they make use of IP address, so using another details won't help you out. You just have to wait for my next video on free forex no deposit bonus, which is actually coming soon. Now if you're just in this video for the first time, you're just coming across my video, just take your time, kindly subscribe to the channel by just that's a big way to say thank you to every single effort I'm putting in to make sure you get money online and to make sure you get crypto updates and no deposit bonus like always. Now in today's video, I'm actually going to be showing you steps on how to claim this bonus for those who haven't claimed it before. And the last time I posted this video, I got a lot of withdrawal proof from people from my community. This you can see showing on the screen right here, and I don't want you to miss out on this, so I'll be adding a link to the comment section and also in the description, where you'll be seeing more details about this video about the bonus. And just click on the link, which will take you to where you'll be able to download the app for this broker. Now once you download the app for the broker, which is Trendo, you can see it's the name at the option on your screen. The name of the app is Trendo app, and you download it and log in into the app. Now the very first thing you need to do is to fill in your details. Even before you fill in your details, you can see the $100 at the top right here, which is ready. So but firstly you need to fill in your details to be able to claim the $100 bonus. Now you can see this space right here where you are going to input every single details right here at the top here. Firstly you have to put in your first name, your last name, and input your email address, and also create a password and make sure it's up to requirements, put in every special character required and confirm the password. And for the referral code, I'll be adding that one to the description. So once you're done with the details, you click on the terms and agreements and click on register. So immediately you register, you'll be logged in into the site where you have to claim the bonus. Now you click on these three lines shown at the top right here, where you see a real account, you see a bonus account, and you see you can do verification for later, but you see a demo account. In this aspect, you click on it where you see bonus account and real account. So you change it to a bonus account and immediately you'll be able to trade with this $100 bonus ready. As you can see, it's right here, it's ready all. And like I said earlier, people are already making withdrawal from this no deposit bonus. And for you to find yourself in such position, you need to meet with the terms and conditions, and immediately you meet the terms and conditions, you'll be able to place withdrawal into this account. Now for the terms and conditions, I'll be giving you the important ones, so just take your time to go through the rest and make sure you don't miss out on any of these terms and conditions. Now you can see showing on the screen right here one of the terms and conditions, which is for you to make 200% of your capital, make a profit of 200% of your capital for the next 4 weeks. Now if you trade this account for the next 4 weeks and you're able to make 200% of your capital, you'll be able to place a withdrawal of $100 from this bonus immediately after you make the 200%. Now for other terms and conditions, you can see it right there, you can only claim the account just once and see other terms and conditions. And for the country is eligible, there's no specified country which is eligible, just claim it and make your profit. Now if there's any aspect where you don't understand and you want me to give enlightening on, just leave a comment in the comment section where I'll give you more details about any aspects you don't understand. Now thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and also leave a comment in the comment section. Have a nice day guys.